My name is Wendy, and I am a graduate from DMD in year 2000. Right now, I'm actually running my own design studio. We are called 55 Minutes, and it was started in early January 2019. So as a design studio, we practice human-centered design methodology to help our clients solve their problems and to solve user problems. Class of 2020, congratulations! All your years of hard work has finally paid off and you are ready to graduate. I really look forward to seeing all your hard work and all your portfolio. So I remember my own fusion was back in the year 2000 and it was conducted in the school. I remember it was really a very exciting time because getting to set up my own booth, having to see my own printed name cards and all the posters and everything, I really felt a strong sense of pride and achievement. And what was even more exciting was for me to also go around all the different stations, checking out all my friends' work, designs as well. And at that time, we were tired from all the hard work, but at the same time, we were very excited because we know that there are a lot more opportunities for us to showcase our creativity and our talent by making ourselves useful in the industry. For the past few years, I always made sure that I'll make a trip down to check out Fusion. And year after year, whenever I go, I'll always be very, very impressed by the standard of the work that the students are able to produce. Now that I'm running my own company, I have a very, very busy schedule to keep. And sometimes it can be very difficult to have to go down all the way to meet the students and to check out their work. So this time round, Fusion is fully online, and that's really very exciting because it allows me to check in onto the website and look at all the students' work at my own leisure whenever I have a free time, when I'm in the train or when I'm waiting for a meeting to start. I can log in and I can just look at all the students' portfolio. That will really save me a lot of time and effort. See you at Fusion!